Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nurmaida Isra Husna, with registration number G1A119169 for Department of Public Health, University of Haluoleo, Kendari. On this time, I will presentation a journal entitled Relationship of Socio-Demography Factors, Knowledge, Attitude, and Food Consumption Behavior among Vocational High School Students during COVID-19 Pandemic Indonesia. Background: human life changed after the COVID-19 pandemic occurred worldwide. Every affected country implement the obligation to wear masks, maintain distance, and avoid crowds. Many people have been lost their jobs due to the decline in the selling value of the company's product in the COVID-19 pandemic era. Office and school activities that were entirely offline suddenly turned online. The change is challenging for students to achieve, causing stress when studying in class. Considering that the world has been experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic for almost 2 years, studying food composition in school adults can unnecessary. Moreover, school in the Indonesia, which is still implement limited meetings, will cause little interaction. It will indirectly affect full compassion behavior in adolescents because their response potential leaves factor for non-communicable disease in the future. So, the study aimed to determine the socio-demographic factor, knowledge, attitude, and behavior of food composition in health secondary students during the COVID-19 period. Methods: study design. The study employed a cross-sectional approach. The respondents were the students at Health Vocation School Binatama, Sleman, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Participants: the population of this study was 277 students. The samples were taken using the purposive sampling technique. The number of participants was 4 students after. Calculate using Slovene formula with the inclusion criteria: 1. Active student, 2. Available to be a respondent, 3. Understand bahasa Indonesia, 4. Cold community. On the other hand, the exclusion criterion was the seriously ill student and unable to participant. Instrument: food consumption behavior refers to eating patterns according to balanced nutrition guidelines to regulate a balanced and safe daily diet to achieve and maintain optimal food and health status. Food contain fruit, vegetables, protein, plus physical activity and food safety aspects of reading food labels and choosing safe snack. Data collection. Data were collected in September 2021 by the research using the valid questionnaires after obtaining ethical permission. Data analysis outcome measurement was food composition behavior. Descriptive statistic was used to determine the frequency and percent for all variables. Square tests and multi-logistic regression were used to examine association between independent variables and food composition behavior. ethical consideration. The ethical approval for this study was obtained from Ahmad Dahlan University Yogyakarta Atheist Community of Five. Each respondent was signed informed consent prior to data collection. Table 1 below describes the general information of the respondent. The majority of respondents were females, 94%. The average age of the respondent was 16 years old. More than the fathers of all respondents had a working parent and attained a high education level, 84.5 and 76.6 respectively. More than half of respondents had a family income of more than or equal to 1,500,000. While Table 2 explains the characteristic of knowledge and attitude of respondents, more than half of them had a good level of knowledge, 64.3%. The same proportion was shown for those who had good and poor attitude levels. Most of the respondents also had a parent's role in food consumption, teacher role, and health workers role. 65.5%, 61.9%, 67.9% respectively. More than half of them also had a good food consumption behavior, 56%. Table 3 shows the variables that had a significant correlation with food consumption behavior of students, such as family income, level of knowledge, level of attitude, the role of parent and role of health worker. Family income was significant associated with food consumption. P-value 0,010. The chi-square test result also revealed that the level of knowledge and role of parents were significant associated with food consumption p-value. Table 4 describes the result of multiple logistic regression after adjusting all the independent variables. It was found that family income, level of knowledge, and role of the parent had significant correlation with food consumption behavior in detail compared to those from families with income greater than 1,500,000 rupiah. Those from families with income smaller than 1,500,000 rupiah were 4,4 times more likely to have poor food consumption behavior in terms of the level of knowledge compared to those who had a good level of knowledge. Those who had a poor level of knowledge were 8,4 times more likely to have poor food consumption behavior. Furthermore, compared to those with the role of parent, those without the role of parents were 5,4 times more likely to have poor food consumption behavior. Conclusion: in sum, the most significant variable influencing food consumption behavior in students was study knowledge, followed by other supporting factors such as family income and the role of parents. From the findings, there were the recommendation for public health programs. 1. Improving counseling for parents in order to teach their children to have good food consumption behavior. 2. Adding others program to school on nutrition consumption behavior for school children. And 3. Implementing a nutritional food assistance program for poor households. That a presentation for me, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.